The surgery that we're doing today is a particularly complicated and long and difficult surgery. It's essentially disattaching the patient's head from his neck and taking the tumour out and reattaching his head back onto his neck. Placing the implant at the end of the operation, that's the easy part. The hard part is the 1 or 2 months of work beforehand. The hard part is sitting down at a computer console and working out how you're going to do the operation, what angles that you're going to take, how you're going to achieve the resection of the tumour, and then planning the implant around that. So the tough bit's already been done. This is the good fun bit.
Every day he gets better and better. I think his speech is improving. I know that there's a long way to go.